In a previous video, I talked about the skills, the schedule, and the systems of the Fearless Agent. So let's talk about the schedule. So you can double your income for the year just by getting your schedule right. So think about this. Don't we have to eat lunch every day? Don't we have to eat dinner every day? Don't we have to, some people don't eat breakfast, but don't we have to prospect every day? We have to sleep every day. So there are certain things that have to get done. So rule number one, if you're a Fearless Agent coaching student of mine, and you can do this, eat lunch at noon. Then the rest of your day has to wrap around that. If possible, that would be good. So then prospect in the morning. So I had a mentor of mine, his name is Floyd Wickman, you've probably heard of him. And I said, Floyd, wouldn't it be better if I was calling people, telephone prospecting in the evening when people are home? And he said, Bob, the time of day you haven't been calling ain't the problem we've been having with you. And I said, oh, that's right. So prospect in the morning from 9 to noon, eat lunch at noon, now you're not hungry and cranky. Schedule all of your listing appointments at 2:30 or 7 p.m., not 4 p.m. If I schedule a listing appointment at 4 p.m., I can't do one at 2:30, I can't do one at 7, and I have cut my income in half. So you will double your income because you could take 2 listings in one day, eat dinner at 5. That way, at 5 o'clock, you know you're going to eat dinner, and when you're done, you know you may have a listing appointment. At noon, you eat lunch at noon, and you know at 2:30 you may have a listing appointment. So you check your schedule and you're not forgetting to go to listings. They're not happening at all different times of the day. So a little thing like that can double your income. If you'd like to learn a lot of other little things that can double your income, we have a ton of those. So you could call me at 480-385-8810, toll free day or night. And that's my cell phone number. And we'll just have a complimentary coaching call to see if my coaching would be a good fit for you. I won't be closing you at the end. I want to make sure it's a good fit for you. I want you to decide that. And then you can also go to fearlessagentpodcast.com, watch our podcast or listen to our podcast. It's audio, so you could do it in the car. And then go to fearlessagent.com, watch all of our videos, subscribe to fearlessagent.tv, which is where you are now. And that'll give you a pretty good idea of what we do is a good fit for you, and all of that would be better coaching for free than you would pay any other coach in America any amount of money. That's my guarantee to you. Let's see if we can make you a Fearless Agent. Thanks.